I'm very thankful for the trust that Kiko Benitez has given me. It's really an opportunity to make meaningful change. It's also, as Kiko said a while ago, it's also a renaissance, a golden year for technical and vocational education and training. So I see me joining as something where I can really contribute to positive change for not only TVET but for the whole Filipino people.
Sir, ano ang mga nakasalansan na plano?
Okay. Right now, ma'am, we are guided by the law, the General Appropriations Act, wherein there is really a need to make TVET training more focused so that we can deliver impact para sa mga poorest of the poor, and especially for special projects in a sense, because we need to look into the responsiveness of our education and our training to ensure that they actually become converted into livelihood, they become converted to skills, and they actually impact and elevate the quality of lives of our community. So for the short term, for instance, we are looking into ensuring that TVET, Technical and Vocational Education and Training, is also cascaded at the local government levels. We want our local governments to be more engaged in TVET because we recognize the value of our municipalities, of our cities, and our provinces in ensuring that the delivery of TVET is responsive to our labor sector, and not only in the country but also, of course, globally.
Sir, how's the turnover, especially sa responsibility sa mga paperwork, documents? Kumusta ang pagka-turnover team?
We're very thankful to the previous Deputy Director General for Financial and Legal Affairs, DDG Avelino Tolentino, because he ensured that the turnover process is smooth, the turnover process is seamless. So we're very thankful that we do not see any issue, we do not see any problem. What we are currently welcoming would be this acceptance of a very big responsibility, especially now with how big TESDA's budget will be. It really is, as they said, it's going to be a very big responsibility for us to ensure that every peso is really accounted for and every peso goes for the benefit of our constituency, of our trainees, of the Filipino people.
Sir, taga-Aklan gid ikaw. Pwede mo kami matawan short background personally mo nga paano ikaw nagumpisa paano nimo naabot mo karon dayang kwan yun ikaw, no? Second to the highest position sa TESDA. So
abo man kami, sir, niya, DDG. But thank you for that question. I think from my formative years, I'm very thankful that education, basic education in Aklan is very competitive and it's very robust. I have to thank my teachers for it. That's also why one of the special guests that I have in this very personal ceremony are my high school teachers. So they are there, my high school teachers na sa science. It's also a recognition that I would have not been able to achieve or accomplish this milestone were it not for them. It's really a recognition that what I am right now is really a product of our education. And what I said niya kanina, it's not just basic education, but it's also in TVET, because what I have achieved right now goes beyond what I have personally accomplished. It's also an accomplishment of my parents and even accomplishment of my grandparents, which I have shared, is really grounded to TVET. Na-mention ko nga, yung lola ko from a family sa Sakada. Alam niyo naman how difficult it is in the Sakadas. She was able to make livelihood because of dressmaking, which is, of course, technical skills. The same way for my father na my father did not finish high school. My mother was a grade school graduate, but with technical education through the bakery, they were able to have the livelihood necessary para mapagtapos kaming family. So it's really beyond what I have personally accomplished, what I have personally have striven for. It's really also a product of everyone from my basic education years, but also from my parents and my grandparents who were fortunate to have been able to train through TPED.
Sir, si Sir Ace.
Excuse me, sorry, the secretary is waiting na po. So,
Okay.
final message na lang po dito.
Okay, so I'm very thankful that I have this opportunity to serve the Filipino people in this capacity, and we look forward to collaborating with our partners in the LGUs and the national government level to ensure that TESDA is a partner for positive change and in uplifting the lives of our fellow Filipinos and of course our fellow Aklanans here in the province. Thank you very much. Thank you.